Building large structures may need a good consultant who knows what to be done, the steps to be taken to ensure that a good structure is put up. Today we are seeing a 5-story structure which we have done for this school here, and we are starting construction after approvals and each and everything done professionally. Once again, this is Asimu Timothy. Welcome to our YouTube channel. If you find this video more helpful and educative, don't forget to like, subscribe, so that we grow together as we continue sharing engineering knowledge. So this is a structure that we are going to talk about. If you're going to do a storied structure like this one we are on, which we are starting now, a 5-story structure, you have to do all the basics which are done. We always share that. That is from planning. We do the plans as required by the council, which includes architectural plans, structural plans. We do geotechnical investigation reports, which is checking on the soil conditions. Then we talk of mechanical and electrical drawings. We do analysis and know that the structure is so well founded in design. So this structure has been done and has passed all that, has been approved, and we are now on execution part. As a company, we are now doing the supervision part of it, as the client has his own contractor. As we usually say, that is design and supervision. So this is the structure we are starting, and you can see the parts we have, which we recommended, that are being done, that are being excavated. So we want to see how you can easily determine the pad for any structure that is especially so high. So what happens if you're going to determine the foundation of any structure, like you can see here, what you are doing, you have to first do soil investigation reports, which is sometimes referred as a geotech report. Then we know the conditions of the soil. What you want in the soil is to understand the bearing capacity of the soil, how much loading from all the structure can reach the ground and make sure the pads are stable. That's the bearing capacity. When I have my bearing capacity, I can easily determine the stability area or the distribution area for the pad. Then I get to know the area of the pad. Then I have to also check the height of the structure vis-a-vis the soil conditions which we have tested. Then try to know how will I overcome any overturning moment for the structure. This will help me to know the depth of excavation for the structure. So I get to know how much can I go below to reach that firm ground. So you get to know the depth of excavation, as you can see here. So from our designs, we had to have these pads which are wide because the structure is a bit high and the loadings were massive, and it is going to be a dormitory for this school in Wakiso. And we had to make sure that we supervise for our client to ensure that what is done on ground is based on what is on drawings, so that we have everything perfect. So that is how you can determine the foundation for the storied structure like this. So as consultants, we usually check and see. So like here you see on our structure where we are going to tell them to follow drawings, which means that they have to cast the thickness we specified, around 450 for the concrete in their foundation. They are going to see the bars which they are going to cast in before we continue, so that everything is as per design, and ensure that we do what we call construction design analysis, so that if there's any change in design, we can always rate our client or our contractor to have those changes. That's the work of supervision. So we as our project managers, we always focus on that for our clients to ensure that if you have trusted us with a big structure, we make sure everything is done right here, you don't have any issues with the structure, and it is fit for occupation. So that's the purpose of geotech and everything that we do in that process of getting a good design.